Hello everyone, welcome to my iTechHub YouTube channel. Today in this new video, I will show you how to fix call failed on iPhone. Nowadays, lot of iPhone users have to face this problem, so this video is for your solutions, so that you don't have to face this issue again. That is how you get call failed on your iPhone. So now question is how to fix this issue. So let's go and watch this video to get solutions. So now very first solution is turn on and off airplane mode on your iPhone. To turn off airplane mode on your device, first of all go to settings, then here you can see airplane mode option. So simply turn toggle on next to airplane mode. Wait for a while and again turn it off. So that is how you can turn on and off airplane mode on your iPhone and fix the issue. Now second solution is insert your SIM card. So first insert your SIM card. Now wait for 10 to 20 seconds and after then again reinsert the SIM card on your iPhone. So that is how you can fix the issue. Now third solution is change network selection settings. To change it, first of all go to settings, then here tap on mobile data. Now tap on network selection. Here simply turn toggle off next to automatic, then wait for a while and again turn it on. So yes, this solution will help you to fix call failed on your iPhone. Next we will see fourth solution, and the fourth solution is reset network settings of your iPhone. To reset network settings, first of all open settings app on your device, then here tap on general option, then here scrolling down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone option. Again here tap on reset, then tap on reset network settings and enter your passcode here. Then again tap on reset network settings to confirm it. So that's how you can reset network settings on your iPhone and also fix call failed on your iPhone device. I hope this video is help you to fix call failed on your iPhone, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.